Archimedes was a great ancient Greek physicist, astronomer, and mathematician. He was born in the city-state Syracuse, where he became quite close with the king, something that would prove to be very important down the road. Syracuse itself also played a large role in facilitating Archimedes' greatness, for it was one of the central hubs of intellectual and artistic progression during the time. His list of achievements includes the discovery of water displacement. The story of how he discovered it goes like this. King Huron suspected his smith of replacing some of the raw gold given to him to make a new crown with silver. Archimedes, knowing silver was less dense, knew that the crown would be slightly bigger than if it was pure gold. Apparently, when taking a bath, he realized that he could measure the volume of an object by measuring the amount of water it displaced. After he made this discovery, he ran through the streets naked, yelling, "Eureka! Eureka!" or "I have found it." With this new technique, he revealed that the crown was slightly bigger, ergo, the smith had switched some of the gold with silver. Like this story, most of what we know about Archimedes is in anecdotal form. These stories, however, reveal to us the true genius of this great physicist. Archimedes also made many war machines that helped protect Syracuse from invasion for many years, the most well known of which, of course, is the Sun Death Ray, as seen on Mythbusters. This contraption used a system of mirrors to direct light rays toward enemy ships in order to incinerate them. There are records of this working, however, this has been disproven. Another, less well known invention was his ship claw. While it was not exactly a claw, it was made in a way where a hook could latch onto a ship and turn them onto their stern, eventually leading to them being capsized or being ripped apart. These machines were great at causing mass confusion when defending against the Romans in the Second Punic War. His last, more practical invention was a very well designed catapult called the trebuchet. This uses a counterweight to fling objects such as rocks, metal, and timber at enemy ships. The Romans were so impressed with the design that when they finally conquered Syracuse after killing Archimedes, they took one back to Rome for their own use. In terms of mathematics, Archimedes laid most of the groundwork and more for the study of conic sections, such as circles, parabolas, and cylinders. In fact, he requested that his tombstone be engraved with a sphere circumscribed by a cylinder, followed by the ratio of their volumes, which he had calculated many years prior. During his life, he made leaps and bounds toward calculating the value of pi, came up with formulas to find the volume of various three-dimensional objects, and apparently was able to find a value for the volume of the sun using an instrument of his own making. Archimedes was sure an interesting, intelligent, and great man. His works did great things for the people of his city and for us today.